Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Nano Tape is probably one of the most versatile and innovative adhesive solutions available today, offering a game-changing approach to organizing, crafting, and DIY projects with its reusable, residue-free, and remarkably strong adhesive capabilities that effortlessly sticks to almost any smooth, clean surface. Let's dive into a comprehensive exploration of this amazing product, uncovering its strengths, weaknesses, and best use cases to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Nano Tape Bubble Kit. This kit lets you make amazing bubble shapes. Add glitter or other materials to personalize your creations. You get 2 sizes of nano tape, balloon fillers, an inflator, straws, and a spoon. Everything you need to get started. Mold it, squeeze it, and watch it change shape. It's super fun and a great way to relieve stress. Made with safe, environmentally friendly materials, it's perfect for kids and adults. It's odorless and non-toxic. It's great for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a fun and creative gift that encourages imaginative play. Whether it's a party, classroom activity, or quiet time at home, this kit provides hours of fun and creative expression. What we like? It lets you mold unique bubble shapes and add glitter. If you're looking for a fun and therapeutic activity, this is perfect. It's also made with safe, kid-friendly materials, making it ideal for creative playtime. What people say. Getting the instructions down was slightly difficult, but once I was able to make the first one, I understood the hype. I saw these on TikTok and have been obsessed with the idea. I'm so glad I finally bit the bullet and got a cheap pack to try out. The little decorations it comes with is also so much fun. Number 4. Nano Tape Bubble Kit. This kit lets you create amazing, colorful bubbles. It's fun, easy, and safe for everyone to use. It's made with non-toxic, durable materials, so you can create bubbles without worry. It's built to last. With various sequins and small balls, you can customize your bubbles. Make them any color or size you like. Simply follow the easy steps. Cut the tape, add your favorite filler, seal it, and heat it with a hairdryer. Then blow. It's so simple to use, you'll be making amazing bubbles in minutes. Get creative and have fun. Check out our step-by-step video tutorial for extra help. It makes the whole process even easier. What we like? It comes with sequins and balls for colorful creations. If you enjoy crafting and like step-by-step guidance, this kit is for you. The easy-to-follow video tutorial makes it perfect for all skill levels. What people say. It comes with multiple rolls of nano tape, and a wide variety of mix-ins to make different textured bubble balls. Comes with so many things and color options. Lots of color nano tape to choose from. Number 3. Nano Tape Bubble Kit. Get ready to explore this exciting kit. It's packed with everything you need to create amazing bubble art. You'll find 2 sizes of nano tape, colorful balloon fillings, a balloon inflator, straws, stickers, and even a spoon. Everything is included for easy bubble making. This isn't just about bubbles, it's a fun and relaxing activity. Squeezing the bubbles can help relieve stress and anxiety. With the nano tape and colorful decorations, you can make unique bubble shapes and designs. Let your creativity shine. It's made with safe, child-friendly materials, so you can enjoy it without worry. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just because, this kit makes a fantastic gift. It's sure to bring hours of fun. What we like? It includes various glitter and colorful elements for endless bubble possibilities. If stress relief and creative fun are your priorities, this is a great option. It also makes a fantastic gift for kids of all ages. What people say. It kept her busy until she ran out of tape. It was really fun playing with them. It came with lots of accessories and cute stickers. My 13-year-old was dying for this nano tape bubble kit, and it absolutely lived up to her expectations. It kept her entertained for hours, and she loved creating all sorts of fun DIY bubbles and crafts. The kit is easy to use and perfect for creative kids. Number 2. Nano Tape Bubble Kit. Get ready for hours of fun creating colorful, squishy bubbles. It's easy to use and completely safe for kids. This kit uses durable, non-toxic materials, so you can create without worry. It's strong and won't break easily. With colorful sequins and balls, you can customize your bubbles to match your style. Make them big, small, or any color you like. First, select a piece of nano tape. Then, insert a straw into one end. Next, add your favorite glitters, sequins, or small balls inside the tape. Get creative with your mix. Seal the open end of the tape, remove the protective film, and gently heat it with a hairdryer for about a minute. Now, blow into the straw to inflate your bubble. Watch it grow and enjoy your creation. What we like. It offers a variety of sequins and small balls for customized bubble creations. If you enjoy hands-on projects and prefer clear instructions, this kit is ideal. The simple steps make it perfect for all ages. What people say. Everything shown is in the kit: lots of glitter, colored clay, foam balls, straws, cute stickers, glitter tape, and even a cute little pair of metal scissors. It is such a good set. It came with a bunch of glitter clay and more. Great kit with tons of ideas. Nano tape is hard to use and took a few mistakes to get the hang of. But once we got it going, the bubbles kept blowing. So much fun to make our own. Number 1. Nano Tape Bubble Kit. Let's open up this exciting kit. Inside, you'll find everything you need to create amazing bubble creations. It includes a nano tape in various colors, balloon fillings, an inflator, cute stickers, straws, and a spoon. You're all set to get creative. This kit is perfect for relieving stress and anxiety. Squeeze the bubbles you make to calm down and uplift your mood. With the high-quality nano tape and colorful accessories, you can make all sorts of unique bubbles. Unleash your imagination. It's made with safe, environmentally friendly materials, so you can enjoy it without worry. We prioritize user safety. Whether it's a birthday, Christmas, or any other occasion, this kit makes a fantastic gift for kids and adults alike. It's fun for everyone. What we like. It features colorful tapes and various fillers for unique bubble designs. If you want a fun and engaging activity with a personal touch, this is a great choice. It's also a perfect gift for birthdays or holidays. What people say. Bubble quality is great. Very durable as well. Perfect for traveling on a long road trip. Keeps kids busy. She was ecstatic to receive and has made countless squishies. She loves all the different options to choose from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.